Neville Goddard was a successful motivational speaker with a fascinating philosophy on the power of manifestation. He taught that we can manifest anything we want, simply by knowing our desires and acting on them. You don't need to wait for things to happen in order for you to get what you want. You can make them happen yourself. Neville Goddard was a man who had many things he wanted to manifest. He was a successful lawyer, but he wanted more. He wanted to be a successful author, but he knew that it would not come without hard work and dedication. Neville Goddard was also very spiritual and believed that we all have the ability to manifest our dreams into reality. How to manifest Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard was a New Thought teacher who had some great insight into the law of attraction. In his book, The Power of Awareness, he wrote about how we can create our own reality through the power of our thoughts. He also wrote about how we can manifest things into our life by using certain techniques. The following are some steps that will help you manifest Neville Goddard. 1. Relax your body and mind by doing deep breathing exercises or meditation. This will help you become more relaxed and aware of your thoughts. 2. Think about Neville Goddard in a positive way, like what it would be like if you had him in your life right now. How would it feel? What would he do for you? What could he give you? How would this make you feel? Imagine being able to talk with him and share ideas with him about life and spirituality. 3. Then imagine what it would feel like if Neville Goddard was already in your life right now. How would that make you feel? What would change for you if Neville Goddard were in your life right now? What kind of person would he be? What kind of things could he teach you? Would it bring fulfillment into manifestation as the law of the universe? In order to manifest what you want, you have to be willing to receive it. It can seem like a catch-22. How do I get what I want if I don't have it? In reality, the answer is simple. You must first believe that you can have it, and then take action toward making that belief a reality. Here are 3 steps to take in order to manifest Neville Goddard's teachings into your life. 1. Begin with a thought or feeling of what you want. For example, if you want more money, ask yourself, what would it be like to have more money? Or, how would my life change if I had more money? Or if you want something specific, like a car or house, ask yourself, what would it be like to own that car, house? 2. Create an image of what you want in your mind and hold onto it firmly. This may sound easy, but often we have many competing thoughts and feelings about what we really desire in life, so it's important not only to focus on the picture but also hold onto it for as long as possible, even if just for a few seconds. Your mind will create whatever images come into your head, so done. Manifestation brings us to Neville Goddard, a man who lived in the early 20th century and is considered by many to be one of the most important figures in the history of personal development. Manifestation is about taking control of your life, and Neville's teachings are all about helping you do just that. His philosophy is that we create our own reality by what we think, feel, and say, and that if we change these things, we can change our lives for the better. Neville believed that there are no limitations on what we can achieve if we only have faith in ourselves and in our ability to manifest what we want. Neville Goddard was a New Thought lecturer who taught about the law of attraction. His teachings were based on the Bible and on his own experiences, which included what he called psychic visions. He believed that everything in life is created by the mind, and that if you can learn how to use your mind correctly, you can create any reality you wish. He also believed that there is no such thing as coincidence or luck. Everything happens for a reason, and if you understand how to use the power of your own mind, you can make anything happen for yourself. Goddard's books are still available today, but he is best known for his lectures. Many of them have been recorded, so if you'd like some guidance on learning how to manifest your desires into reality through Neville Goddard's teachings, here are some of my favorites. Neville Goddard, who lived in the early 1900s, taught a course on the law of attraction. He used to give lectures and tell people that they could manifest anything they wanted by using the power of their mind. His teachings were so powerful that they have been passed down through generations and are still alive today. Many people consider him to be one of the greatest teachers of the law of attraction ever. What was Neville Goddard's method for manifesting? He said that we need to believe first. then desire, then imagine what we want, then feel it as if it already exists. He also said that we should speak what we want into existence every day. When you repeat these steps over and over again, Neville Goddard believed that your desires would eventually become reality. Neville Goddard was a man who lived in the early 1900s, and he was a very powerful speaker. In fact, he was so powerful that he could manifest things just by speaking them out loud. He used to do this all the time. He'd be walking down the street and suddenly he'd see something that he wanted. He would then just say to himself, "I am now $10 richer." Then he would walk into a store and buy something with his new, imaginary money. And all of this would happen because Neville had spoken it into existence. He also had some pretty amazing advice on how to use this technique. Here are some of his tips.